PolySync 20 Plus hands-on, noise-free calls, and powerful music anywhere. Feeling like your calls are constantly interrupted by background noise or echo, leaving you frustrated and drained? Traditional laptop microphones just don't cut it, and headsets can feel clunky. Comment below if this hits home, because there's a smarter, sleeker solution that puts crystal clear audio, music versatility, and ultimate portability right at your fingertips. Endless work calls, hybrid meetings, and constant notifications can make communication exhausting. Imagine a device that cuts through distractions effortlessly, keeping your voice crisp and conversations natural, without adding more gadgets or complicated setups. A solution that lets you move, focus, and perform at your best, whether in the office, home, or on the go. The PolySync 20 Plus Personal Portable Bluetooth Speakerphone is a breakthrough for professionals seeking premium audio on the move. Its multi-microphone array with Acoustic Fence technology reduces background noise and echo, delivering natural, full-duplex conversations. The 10-watt output, stereo and surround modes, and bass Reflex system produce clear voice and rich music playback. Connect seamlessly via Bluetooth to smartphones and tablets, or use the included USB-C BT700 adapter for PCs and Macs, USB-A adapter included. Battery life reaches up to 20 hours, and IP64 dust and water-resistant construction ensures durability anywhere. A dedicated Microsoft Teams button gives instant app access, while a visible red LED light shows call status from a distance. Additional features include daisy-chaining 2 units for stereo sound, hands-on call controls, and intuitive device pairing. One user shared how the Sync 20 Plus transformed their home office. No more echoes or muffled calls, and music playback sounded fuller than their old speakers. Keep watching for a bonus tip on maximizing your workflow and immersive audio experience. The benefits of the PolySync 20 Plus go far beyond noise-free calls. Experts praise its audio clarity, noting that the microphone array outperforms most laptop mics and captures your voice perfectly even in noisy environments. Influencers highlight the versatility, seamlessly switching between professional calls and music playback with rich, full sound. One productivity expert said, "I couldn't believe how fast it elevated my remote meeting experience." Users report peace of mind with the visible red busy light, preventing accidental oversharing during calls. Imagine walking freely around your home during a meeting, with every word crystal clear and uninterrupted. Industry analysts note that its plug-and-play USB-C adapter, long battery life, and Bluetooth connectivity make it ideal for hybrid work models. The compact, IP64 rated design adds portability and resilience, while daisy-chaining units provide stereo sound for immersive meetings or music. Which feature would enhance your day most? The long-lasting battery, acoustic clarity, or Teams integration? Comment below and let us know. Every call, every music session, every collaboration feels effortless, professional, and remarkably clear. The PolySync 20 Plus transforms ordinary interactions into crisp, dynamic experiences that users can rely on every single day. Thousands of professionals are upgrading their audio setup with the PolySync 20 Plus. Don't miss out on the upgrade that transforms meetings and music alike. Click now to secure yours and experience exceptional noise-free calls, immersive sound, and effortless Bluetooth or USB connectivity. The integrated Teams button, busy light, and daisy chaining capability add productivity, perks you won't find in ordinary speakers. Grab yours today and unlock exclusive tips for maximizing your call quality and portable audio experience. Make every conversation, every meeting, and every song sound amazing.